Evening to all. Today we are going to discuss electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic aldehydes. Aromatic aldehydes are the carbonyl compounds in which aldehyde group, that is formyl group, is directly attached to the benzene ring. Now very familiar example of it is benzaldehyde. Now consider benzaldehyde in which formyl group, that is CHO group, is directly attached to the benzene ring. So this one is benzaldehyde. Now remember, atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring, if that atom is attached to the more electronegative atom by means of double or triple bonds, then that specific group is said to be deactivating group, and secondly that facilitate the attack of electrophile at meta position. So in this case aldehyde group or formyl group is first of all deactivating group. I mean it attract electron from the benzene ring, thus it decreases the reactivity of the ring towards electrophilic substitution. I mean benzaldehyde when compared with benzene, then benzene is found to be more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Now let's see how and why it happens. Now the whole and sole answer is given by the resonance. So what happens right here, this oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, so ultimately electron shift would be expected like this. Now this carbon become electron deficient, thus in order to fulfill its requirement, this pi electron get shifted like this, due to which this corner acquire positive charge, and hence a resonating structure which can be drawn is like this. So this would be the resonating structure. Now charge cannot be accumulated in a single atom. If so, then that species would be highly unstable. Thus this carbon tend to minimize or tend to neutralize its charge. Thus next further more resonating structures can be given as this pi electron gets shifted like this. Now positive charge from this carbon get transferred to this carbon. Thus another resonating structure which can be shown as, so this is the resonating structure. Now in this structure fourth carbon of the ring acquire what? Positive charge. Now next possible way, this pi electron may get placed right here, and due to this the charge on this carbon get accumulated on this. I mean charge rotates throughout the ring and lead to the next resonating structure which may be drawn in this way. So this carbon bear positive charge. Now next attempt one can draw in this manner. So the last possible resonating structure which can be drawn as, now if this resonating structure is numbered as 1, this has 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now resonating number structure number 2, 3, 4 indicates that at ortho and para position there accumulated a positive charge. It means that position number 2, position number 4 and position number 6 is not susceptible for the attack of electrophile. I mean electrophile would not attack at these sites. Then the possible area for electrophile to attack on the ring is meta position. So in Marathi we all know very well that गोट्यापेक्षा वीट केव्हाही मऊ असते. इट मीन्स the meta position as compared to ortho and para is a fruitful position for electrophilic attack. Thus aromatic aldehyde, for example benzaldehyde, when subjected for electrophilic substitution, then electrophile prefer to attack at meta. It means that the meta substituted products are expected, number one. Secondly, formyl group, that is aldehyde group, which is directly attached to the benzene ring, is deactivating group, thus its reactivity is lesser as compared to the benzene. Now take an example of nitration of it. Now we know very well that nitrating mixture is best nitrating agent. So if at all benzaldehyde is heated with nitrating mixture, that is with mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Remember, plain nitric acid is not a good nitrating agent. Thus we often use nitrating mixture for nitration purpose. Now when benzaldehyde is heated with this nitrating mixture, remember right here nitronium ion, that is NO2 plus, is an effective electrophile to be attacked. Now NO2 plus, that is electrophile prefer to attack at meta position, and that lead to the formation of a meta substituted product with the departure of water. So this is meta nitrobenzaldehyde. So meta-nitrobenzaldehyde is obtained when nitration of benzaldehyde is carried out. Now as far as mechanism of this reaction is concerned, mechanism is simple one, and it takes place in two distinct steps. So step number one involve the attack of electrophile. So in very first step, attack of electrophile takes place. Now we are explaining nitration of benzaldehyde. Thus nitronium ion, that is NO2 plus, is an attacking electrophile. Remember, electrophilic reagents are electron deficient and hence like to attack on electron rich area of the substrate. Now earlier we have seen that position 2, position 4 and position number 6 are not susceptible for attack of electrophile as those spots bear positive. So meta position is fruitful for attack. Thus what happens, this is a benzaldehyde. Now benzaldehyde, and this is the meta position. So what happens, nitronium ion, that is an effective electrophile, tend to attack. So it prefer to attack at what, meta position like this, and in order to receive that electrophile, this pi electrons get attracted by this carbon. That's why this carbon bears positive charge, and hence what happens, this bear positive charge, and an intermediate species so obtained can be drawn as, so this is a carbonium ion. So very first step involve the formation of carbonium ion, and in step number 2, I mean in second step, deprotonation takes place. Deprotonation to restore aromaticity, Now remember, in first step after attack of electrophile, the species so obtained, here aromatic characters disappears. Now in second step, this carbonium ion whatever obtained, which can be drawn as, this carbonium ion tend to lose proton to the base. So what happens, carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen, so this electron pair remains at the carbon, and here that pair gets shared, and hydrogen get removed in the form of proton, and thus this lead to the formation of a product what we called meta-nitrobenzaldehyde with the departure of water. So electrophilic substitution takes place in two distinct steps. So first step involve attack of electrophile and second step deprotonation of an intermediate carbonium ion. Thank you very much.